There is a new Etsy seller app and I couldn't be more excited about it. A few weeks ago, Etsy came out with a new version of the Etsy seller app, but I believe this is only available to only a few shops. Not everyone has access to this app. They chose a few shops, I'm guessing, who have a higher number of sales and a higher number of traffic in their shop. And they made this new app available to us so that we can test it. They even say that this is in testing mode and they would like our feedback as Etsy sellers. I'm really excited about this app because it's way better than the old one. I'm not sure if they will switch completely to this one or they will do the updates to the original Sell on Etsy app. They are experimenting with some awesome features that we will review today. I will put some screenshots right here so I can show you how it looks inside the new app. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Emese from Everything Digital, and here on this channel we talk about digital products, making money online and business finance. So if you're interested in today's video, we will not waste another second and let's get into the app review. When you first open this new app, then you can see right on the top is your logo, and right underneath it says your shop name and your shop description. There is a settings button on the right. We will get into those features in a few seconds. Under your business description are your sale numbers and the number of stores that you have on Etsy. Below this are the shop statistics, and I really like that they have these really cool buttons that you can select and they will show you the stats for that time period. In the old app, if you remember, you have to click on the drop-down menu and select the time period that you want to view. Here they have these simple buttons, you can just click on them and the data will be shown here on the main page. Below that are the messages. You don't have to go to a whole new section to view your messages. You can see the newest ones that you haven't read yet, or the ones that your autoresponder didn't send the automatic message. And below that are the reviews. This is very good in my opinion too, because you don't have to scroll through your shop to find your reviews. And after that there is a shop checklist. Sometimes they put a few articles in there or a few prompts, so you can read those if you would like, but I don't have anything here at the moment. The next interesting section I would like to talk about is the orders tab. Here they changed up the filters quite a bit. So here now I can see that I have 5 filters. So I can filter for new orders, in progress. This section can be customized, but in my case I have a digital products shop, digital listings, so I don't sell any physical products, so I don't have to create sections like in progress, before delivery, after delivery. I don't have to create all of those sections, so I can see these 5 sections and then I can see the completed orders, and I can filter by newest or oldest. I think that's a really cool feature because I don't have many sections. If you would have more in here, then it could be useful. But this way I think it's very clean and you can easily filter through your orders. Okay, let's move on to the listing section. Here they have some really cool features that I really like. First, you can search your items by the SKU code if you use those. I don't use those, so we will skip on that. There is a plus in the upper right hand corner. There you can add some new listings. Then there is a small banner section for your sections, because that's how it's called on Etsy. And here you can see all of the categories basically in your shop. And after that come your individual listings. And here they have some filters too. You can select all listings, active, draft, expired, just like in the old app. And you can do recent activity, top selling and expiring soon. I think these buttons are really helpful. They can help you navigate and select your listings that maybe expire soon and you want to renew it, or you don't want to renew it and you are setting it to manual instead of automatic renewal. Yes, I think this is a very good update compared to the old app. And the layout is different too when it comes to your listings. In the old app there were 2 columns and you could see the listings bigger, the listing images bigger. But I think in the new app the images are plenty big. You can figure it out which listing is here, and you can see the description and the stock clearly, so you don't have to worry about selling out. Now, the Insights tab, this was called Stats in the old app and on the desktop version as well. Here again we have these cool buttons where you can easily select the time period of which you want to view the insights. And I think Insights is a better term than Stats because it offers more information than just simple statistics. You can analyze your traffic and your keywords and sources. Here are the visits and the orders. We can see the revenue and the conversion rate, and below that we can see how buyers found us. So I think this is a really good update to the old app. Then comes shop engagement, favorited items, and the people who favorited my shop yesterday. And below that there is the Etsy ads and sales and coupons tabs. These are not even present in the old app, so I'm really happy that they are in the new app. Let's check the Etsy ads tab, and here you can see that it says that I've advertised 296 items for $10 a day. And here it says, in the last 30 days I made 63 orders from ads and I made $611 dollars. Sorry, because the ads are in dollars as always. Basically I doubled my money. And let's go and check out the sales and coupons tab. And here we have the options to run a sale, create a promo code, and here are also the statistics from the last 30 days about the coupons and the promo emails. Here on the bottom we have all the coupon codes that are still active and the ones that were created and used within the last 30 days. The expired ones are not shown, only if you set the settings to that time period, and in that case they will be there. Now let's go back to the Home tab and let's check out that settings button that I mentioned before. It's on the upper right hand corner and I just tapped it. And here you can see that there is my shop logo and my shop in my profile picture next to my shop name, and below that is my name. Yes, I blurred them out for privacy, but this is my editable template shop that I don't share the link to. I gladly share my printable planner shop links, but that shop was not included in this test run of this new app. So I use this shop because I really want to share with you all of the awesome new details that Etsy is working on, and I'm really excited about this new app actually. And I wanted to make this video so that you will also find out what awesome new features are coming to the Sell on Etsy app. So here on the top we have notifications, payment account, payment settings, help center, Etsy's policies and appearance. You can choose a light or a dark theme. I prefer the light one, but the dark is very good as well. And I can log out of my account. In this new app, I don't see anywhere where I could add multiple shops. I think this is because it's still in the testing phase and they released it to only a few shops. And here on the top they also have a submit feedback button on the homepage. That's why I think there is no option for adding multiple shops. I think they will add it in the future, but not at this moment while it's in the testing phase. So yes, those are my thoughts about the new Etsy seller app. If they will switch completely to this new app or they will implement these new features in the old app, either way it's much better than the old app. These new features will make your life much easier and you will be able to see your shop as a whole much easier within this new app or with these new features implemented in the old app. So if you are still here with me, thank you very much for watching till the end, and please type in the comments down below new Etsy seller app and an emoji that you think describes this new app. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I make lots of videos about selling on Etsy, selling digital products, not only on Etsy, and all that good business, digital business model kind of stuff. Thank you again and see you in the next one. Bye bye!